Most advice online are not for beginners. Most advice online sounds helpful, but a lot of it was never meant for beginners. And following advice meant for the wrong stage is one of the fastest ways to get stuck. Section number one, the problem. Online advice usually comes from people who are already experienced, people who are already funded, and people who are already confident of themselves. So when they talk or when they speak from a later stage. Beginners hear some words like scale, optimize, outsource, post 3 times a day. But those words already assume stability you don't have yet. That mismatch creates pressure, not progress. Section number two, why it confuses beginners. When you follow advanced advice too early, one, you feel behind. Two, you feel slow. Three, you feel like you are missing something. But the truth is simpler. You are being asked to run on legs that are still forming. Beginners don't need speed. Instead, they need correct direction. Section number three, what beginners actually need. At the beginning, you need fewer decisions, fewer platforms, one clear outcome. Not growth acts, not strength, not pressure. The right advice at the right time feels calm, not urgent. If advice makes you anxious, then it's probably not for your stage. Clarity always feels quieter. If you want the simple structure I use and teach, it's linked below. No pressure.